The tomatoes, the meat, and there we go. Chili without beans. Looks nice. Now it's time to start adding everything. I had a carrot that I julienned. I cut it up. Look how colorful that is. The whole reason for this 5-bean chili is the colors, the flavors. We're throwing in white corn that's still frozen. Just came out of the freezer. More colors. Wait for it. A couple little pieces of corn. Now look at the beans. All those colors. Alright, we took out a little bit of the meat. Only because it looked like we were going to be full and we wanted to add some more. We didn't add enough for this. So we want to add some more. I'm probably going to add some more chili powder as it cooks. I'd say that was close, a little less than a half. Now we want to mix. Always go from the outside in. Now you notice the volume's starting to drop down because everything's come together. Don't want to do this too hard either. You don't want to break the beans. You want to keep the beans nice and whole. Put a little bit more salsa. Alright, that should be 4 pounds of salsa in here. 3 pounds of meat, 4 cans of chipotle tomatoes. The carrots definitely make a nice addition. Normally I do this with turkey, much healthier. But meat was on sale, $1.99 a pound. I wanted to do Taco Tuesday, so more than 3 pounds of ground beef, 22 ounces of chorizo, shredded. And what do you know? Taco Tuesday, and then it passes over and it turns into another meal. Look at that, that is beautiful. And that is my 5-bean chili. It tastes even better than it looks. You can add things, leave things out. But there you go. This is going to be amazing. Okay, taste delicious. If you cook this, I hope you love it. I do, and I will. This is my dinner.